Mabuhay ug madayaw. Ako nga pala si Julie Arcibala, isa sa mga students ng Master of Development Communication ng UP Open University. And nandito po ako ngayon sa People's Park ng Davao City, isa sa mga pinakamalaking public park or public spaces dito sa Davao City. And samahan niyo ako because this is really a big park and you will enjoy, kasi nga in the middle of the city, you can still feel the presence, the calmness of the nature because of its abundance ng mga trees na andito. So, So aside from being a student, taking masters, I'm also working as a full-time communication arts professor in one of the private universities here in Mindanao. And aside from being a full-time instructor, ako din po ay institutional ranking engagement coordinator. Ako po yung nagtatrabaho when it comes to the data collection, submission, the participation of the university when it comes to the international ranking bodies. So makita nyo sa likuran ko, there are students, group of students na nagpa-practice or doing some recreational activities kasi nga sa sobrang lawak nitong People's Park, everyone can enjoy this place with their family, with their classmates, doing their activities. Marami pong benefits ang pagkakaroon ng isang public park sa isang lugar, no? Unang-una dyan yung health factors or health benefits. Kasi nga, for example, pagdating sa mental health, kailangan din ng tao maranasan yung presence ng nature, yung calmness ng nature, mag-engage with the nature, no? Para kumalma yung kanilang minds, ma-relax sila. Yung presence ng trees and vegetation sa park, nakaka-absorb po sila ng carbon dioxide and they can also filter pollutants which can help reduce the air pollution. Another benefit of having a public park or green space, yung tinatawag nating urban cooling. No? The presence of the trees can provide cooling and shade sa community which can mitigate the effect of heat dito sa syudad. And lastly, they can also provide habitats for the local flora and fauna.